In this video, I'll show you how to send someone your Cash App tag. Your Cashtag, also known as your Cashtag, works just like a username on Cash App and makes it easy for others to send you money. Cash App is a full-service banking and investing app where you can hold a cash balance, send or receive payments, invest in stocks or Bitcoin, and even use your Cash App card for purchases. To find your Cashtag, open the Cash App on your phone and tap the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Right under your name, you'll see your unique Cashtag. It starts with a $, followed by your username. This is what people can use to send you money directly. If you want to share your Cashtag with someone, you can simply tell them your Cashtag or copy it and send it through text, email, or any messaging app. You can also tap Invite Friends or Share Cashtag from your profile screen to send your link directly. When someone wants to send you money, they'll open Cash App, enter the amount, and tap Pay. In the To field, they'll type your Cashtag, for example, $your name. As they start typing, your profile will appear, and they can tap it to confirm. They can also add a short note about the payment before tapping Pay in the top right corner. Requests and allow others to money to someone else. If either of these is turned off, that's enter the amount, tap Pay, and type their Cashtag in the To field. If you've sent or received payments with that person before, the payment will go through instantly. If it's a new person, they may need to approve it first. So, your Cashtag basically works as your unique ID for Cash App, making it simple for anyone to find you and send money instantly. That's how you send someone your Cash App tag.